What's up guys, ain't watching another video. I'm back on my camera, bro. I've not used this camera in so long. I've been just using my iPhone, but we're back on the vlog camera. Thank you guys for watching another video. We are back with the daily vlogs. I might have missed a day because I didn't film anything yesterday, unless I can upload this one today very late, but I might just save this for tomorrow's vlog and I might just skip a day. I had to take a little break, guys. It was Friday night. I took a little break, didn't vlog. I just enjoyed some time without the vlog camera, but it's okay. I went like 14, maybe 15 days straight and it was crazy, bro. Super stressful to post a video every single day. I don't think you guys understand. I had to vlog all throughout the day and then come home and edit all night. And then wake up the next morning, try to think of another vlog idea, go out and vlog, come home, edit all night, same thing every day. It's been stressful. David thinks I'm on drugs. What did you tell me? Remember? That you're like, I won't be surprised if you're on speed or something. Oh yeah, but it was tripping.
He would sleep at 5 o'clock, you guys.
5 in the morning editing videos, guys. Like, we would go out and I would come home and be like, everyone's going to sleep. And I'm like, nope, I gotta go home and edit a vlog. So anyways, we might have missed a day. I didn't post today. But anyways, today we're gonna make a little cool update video for you guys. A lot of people have been asking me where my E46 has been. You guys see the 350Z here, you see my GTR, but where's the E46? I still have it. I did not sell it. A lot of people thought I sold it or something or got rid of it, but I did not sell it. I still have it. If you guys didn't watch the little last update video, I showed you guys exactly what happened. I crashed the car into a curb and now it just needs to get fixed. But we're gonna go show you guys how it sits right now and let's go see if it starts, because I don't even know if that thing's gonna start, bro. I don't remember last time I started it. I don't remember last time I drove it. It's been like a year, bro, so it's kind of sad. But we're gonna go check it out right now, show you guys what's missing on the car, what needs to get replaced, what needs to get fixed, and then try to start it. Like I said, I want to hear that car. I miss how it sounds. But before we go too, I'm gonna show you guys this real quick. We have, shout out to Conce, by the way. Huge shout out to Conce, but we have, I'm not gonna open it. But anyways, we have the new wheel that I hit on the right side of the car on the E46. So they sent me out a wheel right away. As soon as I crashed the car, I messaged them and they sent me a wheel. So that was sick. Shout out to Conce. We even got Conce's on the 350Z as well. These are sick. These are the same wheels as these, but they're fully chrome. You guys will see when we go to the E46 right now. Anyways, the car's at my dad's work, so let's go over there right now. Oh my god.
I don't know, I'm getting a free wrap. My project one.
Let's do it. And we made it. Look it. It's still here, guys. It's probably in the same, it is in the same exact position you guys saw it last video when I told you guys where it was. A little update on it. I think it was already like this, was it? But here's the car, guys. I think you guys saw it exactly like this last time. We actually got the angle kit off this time, so you can actually see how bent it is, bro. It's not supposed to be like this at all. It's completely bent. We for sure probably just need a new angle kit, because I don't think this is fixable. Look at it, completely snapped off. This is supposed to be pointing that way. It's supposed to be like my finger, and it's pointing this way. I hit that shit hard, bro.
Try to put it forward.
This shit will not move.
Oh, no way, did that.
I hit it hard, guys. You don't understand. When I hit the curb, yeah, this is supposed to be flat, like the other side. So this is all bent. It's completely warped, as you guys can tell. This is messed up. I think that's messed up. This shit is all messed up. It's so sad, bro. This car was literally perfect. It was already dialed in. You know that? Like the day I drove it and crashed it, we just got it back from 412 and they did an oil change, spark plugs, and new injectors, all that stuff. Like, it was fresh, ready to go to the track. I put the new wheels on, new tires, and that's when this happened.
You need a new, what, angle kit?
We need a new angle kit. We need a new coilover, yeah. Which I already messaged Reaction. Shout out to Reaction as well. They're a sponsor of this car. But they told me to send them pictures of what's broken. But honestly, I think we just need a whole new coilover, because look at the top hat thing is still here. It's still there. It completely snapped off. So yeah, we need a new coilover. I'm gonna get that ASAP. New angle kit. I'm trying to find if someone has a used one, which is hard to find because no one just has one on the right side laying around for an E46. So we'll probably have to buy that brand new.
Racket pinion steering.
The racket pinion steering? What's that?
Right here, your steering. Right here.
That's broken too?
This is bent. Look how bent it is.
Oh, that is bent. So we need that too. And then obviously the new wheel, but it's already at home, so.
The new turbo.
And a new turbo. Get a bigger turbo. But nah, I'm gonna bring this car back to life, guys, I promise. But you gotta get those couple parts. As you can see, it's not much. I mean, it's kind of expensive to get that. That's probably the most expensive thing. Hopefully we can get up and running soon, guys, because I miss this car and I know a ton of you guys miss this car. And it just looks so freaking good when it's all put together. Right now it looks horrible. Like my fender's over there, guys. The fender luckily didn't mess up. We just took it off so we can see better. The wheel though has seen better days. That wheel's done.
You can put Bondo on it.
What should I do with it? Should we give it away?
You You put Bondo on it.
There's no way, bro. I'm not driving on this wheel. Honestly, guys, maybe I'll give this wheel away or something. I don't know, bro. If anyone wants it, comment down below. How can I give this away? This tire, literally, bro, I just mounted it. Look, it's brand new. Brand new. It still has a little freaking, I think it has a sticker on it still. Look at the stickers right there. Like, I literally had the tire on for 2 minutes, bro. If that.
That's not scratched either.
Oh! Wheel was brand new as well. The wheel was mounted on the car for literally 2 minutes, guys. I'm telling you. And I cracked it. Sheesh. So anyways, this wheel is not repairable probably. And if it was, I probably wouldn't even repair it because that shit is bad. Yeah, I don't think it's repairable. What do you guys think? Should we try to give these wheels away? Well, this wheel away, one of them. Comment down below. Give me a good idea how I can give this away to one of you guys. Unless I hang it on the wall or something in my garage. I don't know, but it would be cool for one of you guys to have it.
What are you gonna do? I gotta pull the blades, the transmission, the engine's down.
Damn. Take the blades off, take the transmission off. I think the transmission right here. Take the engine? You said engine?
Yeah.
And the tail boom, this thing. I don't know. My dad's crazy, bro. Look at this. He also fixes that one too.
That's crazy. He really knows how to do that shit.
I know. I don't know how my dad knows how to do all this stuff, bro.
Would you trust me?
Hell no.
Your blade?
So many helicopters here. This one's
That
badass.
fool's gone, really?
My dad said this one cost $2.5 million, bro. This is like 3 SVJs. Would you guys rather have this or 3 SVJs? I'd rather have 3 SVJs, bro. Give them to all the homies. This one's badass, bro. Look at that. All the homies back here. Watch a movie. Play some Warzone. This thing's sick, bro. Let's see that. Sheesh. This shit is badass.
Bro, your dad said that.
One day. But this is stupid money. If you think about it,
Like,
like,
it's to tear this apart.
if you think about it, bro, like, we look at SVJ owners and we're like, damn, what do they do for a living? What does this guy do for a living, bro? My boy could buy 3 SVJs cash.
Dude, that's what he does.
I know, I asked my dad, I was like, what does he do for a living? He's like, I don't know, he's rich. This next to my black GTR for a picture. Huge, bro. This thing is really big, guys. And we got a bunch of little small ones. These are crazy. This is what my dad does, guys. Works on helicopters. I've shown it in the vlog before, but like, David, we need to go, dude. Look at all the snow. When are we going snowboarding?
Realistically, how long do you think it'll take for us to get there with one of these?
Quick. Anyways, guys, let's try to start this thing. Let's see if this thing even starts still, bro. It should start. Obviously can't drive, but as much as I wish I could drive this car, look at how beautiful this shit is, guys. Obviously it needs some work. I mean, it's clean. It's actually really sick for a drift car, but I want to make it even cleaner, guys. Like, when I bring this thing back to life, I promise we're gonna do a full makeover. Shout out to NRG. I'm probably not gonna get rid of these seats. I love these seats. Like, I want to do, I think Sam put a carbon fiber dash in this car. I think that would be sick. All carbon fiber dash. And then they have carbon fiber door panels too. So you can cover up all this stuff and make it a carbon fiber door panel. This car literally has no, I don't think this shit opens. This car literally has no windows, guys. Like, it's completely stripped. No windows, no interior, no carpet, no headliner, no sunroof. Like, it weighs nothing. No back seats. It's completely gutted. So you guys can tell, 600 horsepower in a fully gutted car. This thing is crazy, bro. It's kind of scary. It's kind of scary. Like, you get out the car, bro, and you're like this. I know. I can't wait, bro. I'm telling you, like, I didn't take advantage of all the content we could have made with this car. But when we bring it back, I'm going to make hella content. We're going to make it sick, I swear. Yeah, when you take it out, it's like a rack, bro. Every time you take this thing to the track, you're going to spend $1,000.
But the seats are actually sick, too. These are the seats you should have gone to 350.
I know. I got these seats in red on the 350, but I like them way better in black. I don't know why I got them in red. I also want to rewrap it, too, guys, when it's all done. So rewrap it a new color. It's been red for like 3 years, maybe 2 years. I don't know. Obviously, I need to buy a new hood, because if you don't remember, in one of my vlogs, the hood opened up while I was driving because I didn't strap it down. It flew up, bro. I'm surprised it didn't crack my windshield. Let's try to start this thing. Enough talking.
Bro, what is that?
You see how big that shit is?
Bro, that shit is used for an elephant, huh?
Touch it, bro.
This would have started an E46.
This one's red.
I think the only one that has a red cable, jack wagon. It's quite sagging.
All right.
Shit looks like Wally, bro.
Let's see if it starts. Hopefully. Probably miss this car.
Is it easy driving? It's short, huh?
It's just sick, bro. All right. Let's see. Hopefully it starts. I don't even know how to work this thing anymore, bro.
That's what fuel gets in the
fuel pump. Honestly, I haven't started this car in so long. I don't even know if there's gas in this car. I don't think it's gonna start, bro.
Why?
It hasn't been started in I don't know how long.
2 hours like that.
What do you guys think? Is it gonna start? I don't think so. Honestly.
So what do you gotta do? Take out the motor?
Let's swap it. Come on!
For sure has a rod knock.
Nah, that sounds healthy, bro. It just won't start.
Yep. We're going home.
Well, it might not have gas. Hear the fan?
Where's the AC? Is that the AC button?
It's the AC right here, fan. Honestly, we might just be out of gas, guys. I don't think it's gonna start today. One more time. I heard a little bit. I heard it on, like, wanted to start, bro. But anyways, it's not gonna start. I think it's out of gas, guys. Like I said, it's been sitting here for
A year?
a year, bro. Nah, not a year. It's been sitting here for a couple months, so probably not gonna start. As it is, this car barely it takes a hard time starting when it's good with all the E45 in there. Whatever. It's not gonna start, but it does run, guys, and it does sound good. Put a clip in right here when it was healthy. The car sounded so good, bro, and it still does. But anyways, maybe we'll just come back and put some more gas in. I just need E85, so it's not gonna work. But yeah, it's still here. We still got the E46, and we're gonna bring it back to life soon. I promise.
That wasn't too bad.
25K, right? QLZ92. This is crazy, guys. Those blades, like my dad said, they're like $45,000 for this set. And we had to carry it and take it off. Guys, the blade is held on by one bolt. That bolt right there. That's the only thing holding on the blade in your life.
That was super durable, Paulo? Yeah, that more?
That thing was holding the blade.
Oh, okay. If you just let it go and you just fly up forward? Hey, how much do you charge for this? How much do you charge for this?
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26.